If you snore, you're not alone. 1 in 3 American adults snore. And trust us, snoring is much more than just an annoyance. Snoring is caused when the flow of air through your nose and mouth is obstructed by relaxed tissue. As the air tries to flow through, the tissue vibrates, causing the sound of snoring. Snoring means you are not breathing freely, which means both you and your partner are experiencing significant sleep disruption. This sleep disruption can lead to daytime tiredness, lack of productivity, and other long-term issues caused by poor sleep. Snoring can also be a sign of sleep apnea, which can lead to major health problems like high blood pressure and heart trouble.